would not destroy us like that. Then the cleanup begins.
See?
The storms come to pass. Yes, it leaves a lasting impression, death and destruction, but it also leaves people acting like humans. It always leaves neighbor helping neighbor. Poor people sharing all the little that they have with one another. That now we are all on the same playing field. I might have walked next door to you, lived next door to you for the last 20 years and couldn't stand you. But now we on the same playing field.
Right.
I don't got nothing, you don't got nothing. Your house is all over the neighborhood, my house is all tore up over the neighborhood. And we come together because out of our despair, out of our loss. It leaves a sense of devastation, but it also leaves a sense of community.
Right.
With people who were there who survived it too. Tell your neighbor that storms come to pass.
Storms come to pass.
Storms come to pass. Yeah. I just, my God. Yeah. Yeah. I just want y'all to know, to see the symbolism of the hell that was spewed on the area on this earth in the last 6 months.
Right.
I just want y'all to take a step back and look at the last 6 months and what we endured. We have had record-breaking snow, feet of snow. We've had feet of snow this year. We've had flooding. People in Boardman and Poland ain't never seen nothing like this in their lives.
Right.
It ain't hit the hood, it hit the people in Boardman and Poland, in Austintown, $1 million homes.
Right.
Flooded.
For real.
Yeah, got raw sewage floating up in their basement.
Right.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Rain. June, we've had more rain in the month, record-breaking, more rain in the month of June than we ever had. Tornadoes, hail. But have y'all noticed the sky since Friday? Just notice the sky since Friday. Since the first day of summer, yeah, it's been crystal blue, white fluffy clouds. Yeah. Not that we are safe now, but we have learned how to endure it.
Yes, we did.
Now the question is, how will you respond during the next storm?
Wow.
Will you run or will you fight? Will you listen to the Holy Spirit as He leads you to safety? Or will you listen to Paul Wetzel, Rich Morgan, or Al Roker?
You know what?
Will you listen to the doctor's report or the doctor's report?
Come on.
Will you listen to the bank or the bill collector? Or will you listen to the one who has all of the riches in the universe?
Right.
Will you listen to the school tell you no? Or that all that your child isn't capable of doing?
Right.
Or are you going to go into your prayer closet and seek the one who gave us power to do all things through Christ who strengthens our God? I just want to know how you're going to weather the storm.
Right.
During one storm a few weeks ago, my umbrella broke in the midst of a major storm in Boardman. Then it started sprinkling. I needed air in my tire at the time, and I only had $10 left to my name. At first it started sprinkling, and I started to just head to get the air. You know, I ain't trying to get no umbrella right now. It's broke. I'm all right. I'm alive. I ain't brown sugar. I can get wet. It's all right. I ain't gonna melt.
Right.
And God said, go get an umbrella. I'm like, man, listen, I only got $10. And I'm riding down Boardman Poland Road, and the car whipped in to go to Home Depot. And I'm like, all right, dude, so okay. All right, so you gonna figure this out, right? Because I only got $10. I'm hungry. I got to feed my kid. And the day is Tuesday. It's like, okay. So I went to Home Depot and bought another umbrella. All right, that's $5 and some change right there, Lord. Okay. I listened as I put air in my tire. The rain began to come down. I bought the new umbrellas when leaving in the car. And God said, I had to get the umbrella, dummy, so you can use the umbrella.
Right.
I'm like, it's just sprinkling. I'm going to look all. And as I'm bending down, putting the air in my tire, I could see the rain coming. I was like, all right, well, it's going to rain a little bit harder. Ain't that bad? So I'm bent down with the umbrella, and it was raining sideways so hard. Just enough time for me to put air in my tire. That my shoes was wet, but nothing else on me was wet. Because God said, get the umbrella. I heard God say it. See, this is why you have to be obedient.
Got to be.
When you have to be obedient. Because had not listened, this rain was sent to cause me to get soaked and get sick.
Right.
Which was designed to stop me from what I needed to do this week. So if I had have stayed in my own feelings, I would have not, and not listened to God, it would have stopped everything else.
Yeah.
Sometimes you just gotta listen.
You got to.
Sometimes you just gotta listen during a storm.
Yes.
I just smiled while I was down there and you told me this. You just walk off. You don't have to always understand what I say when I say it, but you gotta obey.
Obey, yeah.
You gotta obey. Yes. Because God knows my storms. God knows what I've endured. We tend to forget what we've endured. We tend to forget the reason for the storm. We tend to forget what we learned from the last one.
Right.
But God has a way of reminding us.
Yep.
God has a way of reminding us that He is God. God bless you.
Amen.